Yeah, buddy. Lightweight.
Welcome to the video buddies. I hope all are healthy and doing good. So, are you ready to take your fitness to the next level? From today, we are starting a 15-day fitness program that will challenge you, inspire you, and help you achieve your fitness goals. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this program is designed to be accessible, effective, and fun. Over the next 2 weeks, we will be focusing on a variety of workouts and activities, including strength training, cardio, and stretching. Each day, we will be pushing ourselves to new heights and challenging our bodies in new and exciting ways. Through this program, you will not only improve your physical health, but also your mental and emotional well-being. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-esteem, so get ready to feel amazing. Whether you are working out in a gym, in your own home, or out in nature, this program is designed to be flexible and adaptable to your needs. All you need is a little bit of motivation and the willingness to push yourself to new heights. So let's get started on this 15-day fitness program and see just how much we can achieve together. Are you ready to join me on this journey? Let's do this. We will be uploading a shorts daily for the next 15 days at 9 a.m. in which some exercises will be illustrated. You just need to follow the exercises illustrated in the shorts to start your next 15 days health journey. So keep an eye on the clock and be motivated. Meet you tomorrow with a new shorts video.